on the Estee Lauder Double Wear Mineral Rich Loose Powder Makeup. This is how it looks like. So I bought this one in intensity 1.0. And I bought this one a long time ago. I believe somewhere in 2017, end of 2017, or maybe early of 2018. I'm not sure. But this is one of my favorite foundation to wear when I just don't feel like putting on any liquid foundation or any cream foundation for that matter. This is one of my favorite. This was actually recommended to me by one of my good friends. She was the one who said that she was wearing this and everybody complimented on how great her skin looks like. And I feel like I wanted to try it because it's so quick and easy, like she was saying. You just put in your brush and just swirl it and just put it on your face, and that's it. You don't even need to think about any foundation. You don't even need to think about putting on any other powders on top of it. This is already matte enough, but it's not really, it's kind of like luminescent a little bit. It is matte. It is a double wear foundation, which means that it's a little bit thick, but you don't really see that translated on your skin. It looks like your natural skin, or you're having a very good makeup day, or even a good skin day. So that's how it looks like. I can show you a demonstration of this maybe later on once I've started doing the tutorials. This costs about 100 plus, but I think if you buy it from Estee Lauder, you can get other items for free or something like that, or some additional samples or something. But if you buy it from Sephora, you can get some points for it. So I think that if I were to buy it, I would buy it from Sephora, because I don't necessarily use those samples that they provide to me. So I would rather get points, and sometime later on, who knows, I'll buy something from Sephora. So let me just show you how it looks like. It does have a mirror here, and it does have a puff, which I don't use because I'm using my brushes in order to apply this. So what I'll do is, see, it comes with a sifter, so I'll open it up and pour a little bit in the cap right here, like that. Okay, and then swirl my brush into it, similar to the Bare Minerals technique, and then just apply it to my face, and that's it. I love how it looks like. It looks really nice even though it is hot and humid in Malaysia. I didn't bring this with me when I went to Japan because I wanted something more moisturizing. I was using the Bourjois Healthy Mix in Japan. That one was really good because it was hydrating and it leaves my skin looking really nice and dewy. But this one is really good for the Malaysian weather. I would highly recommend you to buy this, especially if you don't want to fuss with your foundation. This is really great for any event because I don't think there's any flashback. Hopefully it doesn't. As you can see, I still have a lot left. I have been using it quite often actually. I use it when I want to have a good skin day, especially when there's an event. I'm still going to use it until the very last drop or last speck of powder in it. So that's it. Hope that you've enjoyed this small review of the Estee Lauder Double Wear Mineral Rich Loose Powder Makeup. Yeah, it does say loose powder, but it applies like a foundation. Really good. Hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below if you are thinking about getting it. That's all for now. Take care and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!